How to edit my account page in WooCommerce. So all you have to do is to go to your Google web browser and type WooCommerce, and you have to log in to your profile. Now this is what it looks like, and in order for you to edit your account, you just have to go to your site. And then in your site, all you have to do is scroll down and look for settings. Now, under settings, you have to look for WooCommerce. It's under general. You have to tap this one. And as you can see, if you click this one, you can probably edit everything about your account. For example, you can edit your general information, your address, your country, even your password. Also, you can edit your products here. That is next to general. And then you can also change your shopping information. That is next to products. And after that, you can also edit information or your account, especially when it comes to your payments. This is very important. So also you can just edit account or information to the following here. So that's how easy it is to edit your account on WooCommerce. Now, once you're done, you just have to save your information. And if you want to change something like your profile picture or your display information, you can go back to your WooCommerce account. You just have to tap this one and go to your profile and then tap everything here, like your settings. And then you can change everything, your username, password, profile, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.